thank you for joining me while I get ready. Today is Valentine's Day, and no, I'm not gonna do a Valentine's Day look. It's gonna be the opposite actually, because I'm over hearts and I'm over pink and all that shit. I'm done with it. I want something dark. So let's get started. First, I'm gonna prime with the e.l.f. Putty Primer. I ordered the Hydro Grip, I think it's called, from e.l.f., the new one from e.l.f. And I'm still waiting for that shit to get in the mail. It's been like 3 weeks, but I've heard good things about it. Gonna let that set for about 30 seconds. I didn't connect my mic. So you guessed it. I'm gonna use Kai para me. You guys, I'm telling you, it's cheap and good. I did a TikTok recently. I have it over there. Go follow me over there if you want. And I mean, I'm loving it. I'm loving it. I like the coverage. I like that it doesn't feel heavy on your skin. It looks natural, but it covers everything. So, and the best part is affordable. It's a beautiful day today, but since I'm recording in the morning, it's always beautiful in the morning, and then like around 2 or 3 it starts pouring. So I don't know what's gonna happen later. It's probably gonna rain, I'm not sure. But it's also Monday, and Mondays, I don't know why, is usually always sunny and nice. And the weekend is always horrible and raining. If I get to go out and celebrate, I will show you some clips and I'll insert it now. For concealer, I'm using the Super Stay from Maybelline. I'm almost done with this, but I feel like it doesn't really bring a lot of product inside. I'm gonna spray my Milani setting spray. I'm gonna set my under eyes using the Beauty Bakery flour powder. Love it. I have to order another one. It's almost done. I should have started with my eyes in case I get fallout. Now I have to be really careful. Well, it's too late now. And for the rest of the face, I'm using the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop. I'm gonna go ahead and do my eyebrows and I'll be right back. Let me put some powder underneath my eyes just in case I get fallout. So I'm gonna be using a couple of palettes today maybe. But first I'm gonna start with this one from Odin's Eye, Giant Wolves. And I'm gonna start with this shade. I keep forgetting they're very, very pigmented. So you have to go little by little. Barely tapped and it came out a lot. So how was your Valentine's? I mean, if you do celebrate it, hopefully it was good. And if you don't celebrate it, I hope you had a great day. I'm gonna repeat that in the other eye and I'll be right back. Okay, now I'm gonna grab the black in the palette. I'm gonna put that on my lids and crease. I'm gonna blend the edges with that first shade. You don't necessarily have to use the same palettes that I use. You could use any black that you like or any colors that are similar. I'm gonna switch palettes and I'm gonna use the ColourPop Lilac You a lot because I wanna use this purple. I'm gonna place that at the lower lash line. So how did you like the Super Bowl? Did you like it? I mean, I don't watch the game in particular. I just like watching the halftime, depending who's gonna be performing. And I kind of like this one. Those old school rappers. And I have a soft place in my heart for old school rappers, like 90s rappers and early 2000s. Dre, Snoop, Eminem, especially Eminem. So I enjoyed it. This purple is gorgeous, but on camera I think it looks pink. It's not pink, it's purple. It is purple, I swear. Just want to cover my underbags with purple. I don't know if I'm making it worse or it's better, but I like it. I'm back with the black. I'm gonna add this shade right here in the inner corner. Or you know what? No. I'm gonna use it's freaking Bats palette. I'm gonna use Apparition, which is this one in the corner. I'm gonna use that one in the inner corner. I actually want it brighter, so I'm gonna go back to the first palette, which is this one, and use this one in the corner. I'm also gonna use that in the brow bone. This is my Wet n Wild Mega Liner to do a wing liner, and I want it to be fat. But I need a mirror really close to me because I'm blind. Okay, so I finished my eyeliner and I went ahead and popped the Luna Beauty eyelashes in style Nova, which is my favorite. I'm just gonna contour a little bit, and I'm using this one by NYX. Blush. I'm gonna use this highlighter from Wet n Wild in the shade Precious Petals. So for lips, I use my favorite, which is the CoverGirl's Outlast in shade Prosecco Pop. Favorite. And now I'm going to top it off with the Luna Beauty in shade Aura. So this is the final look. What do you think? I love it. It's dark and grungy and it has a hint of purple. So I hope you liked the video, and if you do, give it a thumbs up. That helps me out a lot. And don't forget to subscribe so you'll get to see my future uploads. And I'll see you on the next video. Bye guys. Covers stale. Covers what? I did a TikTok. Where is it? Loose powder by can I so look quite scary. Love it.